When we have unity, we have strength. When we act as one, we all win. When we come together, we're unstoppable. Over the past several years, our company has experienced considerable growth. Spring of 2021, we got a knock on the door from our supply chain. Come to learn that they're interested in acquiring our company. Because we chose not to accept the proposal, we learned that they intended to move another company into the Denver market, and that was not going to be right for our people. At that point, we reached out to Groundworks. We, of course, were very excited, and particularly what that would mean for our team in their careers to be able to advance. Well, then it just confirmed completely that Groundworks was the right company for us to partner with.
Now with this partnership, we're going to be in a position where we can focus a lot on our employees and the growth opportunities.
It provides a strong future for them moving forward, more opportunity for their personal growth, their professional growth, financial strength as well.
Additional positions where you can able to move up, promote.
When you partner with a national company that has the resources to back you up the way you always wanted to be backed up, it really makes a difference.
One thing I'm really excited about our peak employees getting the opportunity to join in on is the incentive programs.
The company car, the company gas card.
There's going to be more leads for the sales team, new equipment for the production staff.
Groundworks is going to invest in our company for that next stage of growth.
The Groundworks opportunity for growth for any employees vastly beyond what we can offer them as a small business.
My message to our existing Colorado teams and our new partners at Peak is do not be concerned about the overlapping markets. We have now 50 locations. We have opportunities for everybody. We need more leaders, not less.
I'm excited because not only are we merging with Groundworks, but we are joining forces with Complete and with FRWC, two great Colorado companies.
We are three family brands that care about the community, the Colorado homeowner, and that won't change.
With the brands coming together and being one, it's going to be the best experience for the customer.
It's going to bring the best people, the best processes, the best products.
Colorado has some unique soil conditions that all of these branches know how to work.
We are uniting over 275 teammates and over 60 years of collective industry experience to better serve the Colorado customer.
I think I am most excited about the unity that it's going to bring and the fact that we're going to completely dominate the entire state of Colorado.
We are going to be able to make part of history of building that national foundation repair company brand.
Now, these three great brands will come together to form Groundworks Colorado. Now, there's a new time in the foundation solutions industry in Colorado. A time of growth and unity. Because united, we will conquer.